Good day, teachers. I'm Mark Joseph Mendoza. I'm a Google Certified Educator Level 2, a Microsoft Certified Educator, and also an Apple teacher. So for today, I'll be discussing how to curate and create with Edpuzzle.
First, let's have a definition of content curation and content creation. So how will we differentiate content curation from content creation? Content curation is basically gathering, collecting, editing, and using available resources such as instructional videos, online worksheets, online quizzes about a certain topic. Whereas content creation is creating your own instructional materials, may it be videos, worksheets, or online quizzes. Now that we know the difference between content curation and content creation, let's start curating and creating with Edpuzzle.
And what is Edpuzzle? Edpuzzle is an easy-to-use platform or application that allows its users to create interactive video lessons from existing or available videos in Khan Academy, YouTube, National Geographic, TED Talks, and more. Further, teachers can also curate and use ready-made videos uploaded by other teachers in Edpuzzle. Or you can actually upload and edit in Edpuzzle using your own instructional video lesson. Now, let me guide you on how to use Edpuzzle.
And how does Edpuzzle work? First is you have to find a video, or like what I said a while ago, you can upload your own video. Second is you personalize it by using the video editing features of Edpuzzle. The third one is you assign it to your class. But first thing, you have to create your own free account in Edpuzzle. So how will you create your own account in Edpuzzle? First, go to edpuzzle.com and then choose I am a teacher, then sign up or sign in with Google or sign up with Edpuzzle. Now let's sign in with Google. All you have to do is choose your account, after which type your password. After typing your password, click I agree to Edpuzzle's terms of service and privacy policy, and then just choose or type the school you're affiliated with, choose the subject that you're teaching, and then there you have it. You already have your own free account in Edpuzzle.
So these are some of the important features of Edpuzzle. Number 1, you have video content. Number 2, you have content editing. Third one is built-in assessment. The fourth one is content sharing. Fifth one is LMS integration. The sixth one is analytics. Let's start with video content.
In video content, you can see here the different videos that you can use in Edpuzzle. You have Edpuzzle's curriculum, wherein the videos are arranged per subject and per topic. Here, all the videos are already ready-made, but you can still edit it and use it according to your need. For the school content, you can see here all the videos which are curated and created by the other teachers in your school or organization. For my content, you can see here all the videos you've created and curated in Edpuzzle. For the popular channels, you can see here all the available videos that you can curate from Edpuzzle, YouTube, Khan Academy, National Geographic, TED Talks, and more. The second feature of Edpuzzle is content editing. This feature allows the user to edit the content by maximizing the video editing tools of Edpuzzle. Let me show you how it works. The video editing feature or tools of Edpuzzle will allow you to cut or trim down the video, focusing more on the content that you need, adding voiceovers, and embedding multiple choice, open-ended questions, as well as notes. The third feature of Edpuzzle is built-in assessment. Yes, you heard it right. You can actually put assessments in Edpuzzle, or you can embed assessments in Edpuzzle. Like what I mentioned with the second feature, you can add multiple choice and open-ended questions in Edpuzzle. Now let's see how it works. Now, once you start editing the video, you can actually add questions. Let's say on the 12-second timestamp, you can actually add a multiple choice question. Let's say your question is, what is the limit of the given function as x approaches 4? And then you can type in all the choices that you have for that specific question. So you have 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then choose the correct answer among the given options. Let's say we choose 6 as the correct answer. This means that when the students reach the 12-second timestamp, he or she will be prompted with this question. Now let's try adding an open-ended question. Let's fast forward the video to 46 seconds. And let's add an open-ended question. Let's say the question is, what is the limit of the function f of x as x minus 3 as x approaches 2? This means that the video will then again stop at 46 seconds, and then the students will need to answer the question. Now, let's try adding a note. Let's try to forward the video a bit, and let's try to add a note. Now, adding notes will emphasize important terminologies, important things that you want the students to know or to take note. Let's say you want to tell them that they can use Desmos application to generate tables and graph so that they can easily analyze the limit of the given function. We can also do that. Now, on the left side of the video, of the screen recording, you can actually see the summary of all the questions and the notes that you've added in the video, or the questions that you've embedded in the video. The fourth feature of Edpuzzle is content sharing. Content sharing allows the teachers or the users to share or assign the video that he or she created in Edpuzzle. So let's see how it works. After creating or editing your video, you can just click Finish and then click Assign. And here you can see all the classes that you have in Google Classroom. Then just choose the classes that you want. You can actually choose multiple sections if you want. You can add the start date, and you can also add the due date for the assignment. And make sure that Prevent Skipping is enabled so that the students can skip the video. And you can also share your content or your Edpuzzle by sharing the link to your colleagues. The fifth feature of Edpuzzle is LMS integration. So what is all about LMS integration? Yes, you can also integrate Edpuzzle not only in Google Classroom, but you can also integrate it in other learning management systems. So let's see how it works. Now, all you have to do is to go to your account, just click the picture of your account. After clicking it, just go to the name of your account and then go to school. Click school, and then you can verify the subject that you're teaching. Say math. And then you can select the LMS that you want to integrate your Edpuzzle. You have the following options. You have Canvas, you have Schoology, you have Blackboard, you have PowerSchool, and you have also Blackboard. The sixth and final feature of Edpuzzle is providing analytics. So what is the what are the analytics provided by Edpuzzle? So let's see here. So you can click the grade book first, and after clicking the grade book, you can see all the classes that you have. And then just click the class that you have and the assignment that you asked them to work on. Then you can see here the scores out of 100. And then you can see if they submitted it on time, and also the date when they submitted it or they accomplished it. You can also export grades or download grades. You can get a spreadsheet of your students' results. You can include questions and response text when you download it.
Now let me show you an example of a completed Edpuzzle video.
At the bottom part, you can see the different timestamps where you encoded different questions and notes. Once the students play the video will automatically stop at the different timestamps where you encoded questions. The students will need to answer the question, and he or she will be prompted if his or her answer is correct. As you notice, the students will not be allowed to skip the video since you enabled the prevent skipping feature of Edpuzzle. Continuing the video will stop again and ask the students questions. The students will need to answer again that question and submit the answer, and he or she will be prompted again if his or her answer is correct. The students will continuously do this until he or she finishes the video.
To give you a brief summary of my discussion, please watch this video. Good day, teachers. I'm Mark Mendoza. You can call me Sir M. Let's mark up your EdTech skills today. For this video, I'll be teaching you how to curate and create interactive video lessons in Edpuzzle. And what is Edpuzzle? Edpuzzle is an easy-to-use platform or application that allows its users to create interactive video lessons from existing or available videos in Khan Academy, YouTube, National Geographic, TED Talks, and more. Further, teachers can also curate and use ready-made videos uploaded by other teachers in Edpuzzle. Or you can actually upload and edit in Edpuzzle using your own instructional video lesson. Now, let me guide you on how to use Edpuzzle.
First, go to edpuzzle.com and sign up for an account. Choose I'm a teacher, sign up with Google or any email, type your password, accept the terms of service and privacy policy of Edpuzzle, type your school affiliation, choose the subject that you're teaching. Now, you already have an account in Edpuzzle.
Now that you already have an account, let's start curating and creating your interactive video lessons.
In the Search tab, type the lesson or topic that you want to create an interactive video lesson. Choose the video that you want to use from the available videos. Then click Edit. Now, let me show you how to maximize the video editing tools of Edpuzzle. The video editing tools of Edpuzzle include cutting or trimming the unnecessary parts in the video, adding voiceovers, embedding multiple choice and open-ended questions and notes. At certain timestamps, the students will be prompted with questions, either multiple choice or open-ended, that they need to answer. Adding notes will help in emphasizing important concepts in the video.
But how are you going to assign the video that you edited and created in Edpuzzle? Let me show you how.
After using the video editing tools and saving the video, you can assign this to any of your class in Google Classroom. You may also add deadlines and post it directly in Google Classroom. You can also prevent the students in skipping the video. Further, Edpuzzle allows you to share your content with your colleagues.
Other than Google Classroom, Edpuzzle also allows other LMS integration.
You can also integrate Edpuzzle in other learning management systems such as Canvas, Moodle, Schoology, Blackboard, PowerSchool, and Blackboard.
And most importantly, analytics are also provided in Edpuzzle. Let me show you how it works.
The gradebook in Edpuzzle provides analytics to its users. You can view the total score and the time spent by the students in the videos you assigned them to work on. You can also export and download this gradebook.
That's it. Now, it's time for you to create and curate interactive video lessons in Edpuzzle. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you learned something today. Please click the like button and subscribe. See you on my next video. There you have it. For you to watch again the recap video, you can watch it in my YouTube channel. It's bit.ly/Mark Mendoza YouTube channel. It's case sensitive. I'll be uploading more videos about education technology. Just like what I said in the video, it's time for you to curate and create an Edpuzzle. You can also send me an email, add me on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po.